Umkhulumeli we-ANC uPule Mabo lobe isikhundla sokuba mphathi imali zehlangano le uPaula ngekhetho uthi ukuloba kwakhe akutsho ukuthi imizwa yakhe seyonakele. Isikhundla lesi sithunjwe nguGwendra Mkhupha ngamavoti ayi-1809 eholweni belinomzwandile Masina kunye nomluleki kaMengameli uBhejani Chauke. uMabe uthi akasisi ngemizwa nazize kubangeni inkhundla zepolitiki.
I don't want to stand here and start behaving like an angry girlfriend and say no, here, no, doesn't work like that.
Kanti noRonald Lamula ungakhanga thumba isikhundla ebekasiqothele sokuba lisekela likaMengameli we-ANC uphefumula ngendlela azizwa ngayo.
I have no regrets. I think me standing on principle was important to inspire a younger generation across the country that the ANC belongs to young people, it belongs to everyone. So I do believe that I've paved the way for them who are coming behind me, that they can lead the ANC.
Isikhundla sokusekela uMengameli we-ANC sithunjwe nguPaul Mashatile. Kanti ungqongqotjhe wezamapholisa ubheka icele uthi isifunda saKwaZulu-Natal siyifanele imiphumela conference. Uthi akusingekho kuthoma imiphumela ingakhamisani nesifunda sakhe.
Indaba se-KZN ibhlungu kodwa siyi-KZN leadership ne-ANC asifundi nami ngiyazibala. Ngo-2017 sasila saphuma nemiphumela efanayo. Savumelana ukuthi sobuyela ekhaya siyoxoxa senze izinto kangcono singathatha abanye abantu for granted.